This video, I'll be showing you how to connect USB-C earphones on MacBook. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. The first thing you want to do is authorize the accessory connection. So connect your earphones directly into any available USB-C or Thunderbolt port on the side of your MacBook. Look at the top right corner of your screen, and if a security prompt drops down saying allow accessory to connect, make sure you click allow, otherwise it might not work. Next thing you want to do is click the Apple logo on the very top left of your menu taskbar, and then go ahead and click System Settings. Now scroll down the left-hand navigation sidebar and then until you find the sound option, which is going to be marked by this red icon right here. Now what you want to go ahead and do is close up on the mouse, and then when you open it, just go ahead and check for any options. So you want to look for output, and you want to make sure that it's wherever your headphones are. So whether you're using some specific AirPods or anything like that, go ahead and check for the company name. So it has to be output. Input is going to be like your microphone. Output could be like, it could say something like USB-C earphones, or it could say Samsung or whatever brand your earphones are from. After that, you should be good to go. And if you want to, you can just change the output volume because it might be really low too. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through and you might find something that you didn't know about yet.